These Shopkins fruit snacks are so cute! Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and today we're going to do a microwave magic video. We haven't done one in a long time, so we're really excited to do this. Let's start with the black Play-Doh. You can see in here this is ordinary black Play-Doh. Messy and squishy. We're gonna put it back in, put it in the microwave and see what we get. This is so much fun. I hope we get something good. I wonder what we're gonna get. Maybe black licorice, maybe some black jelly beans. I can't wait for this to beep. I'm so excited. Let's open this up. It looks the same. I don't see, oh, there is something in there. Oh, this is not black licorice or black Play-Doh. Do you see this, guys? This is SpongeBob sticking out his tongue. He has a long, sticky tongue. This is so silly. I love this. This is amazing. Well, SpongeBob is definitely a nice surprise. I really like this toy. Let's stick SpongeBob right here, and let's try another container of Play-Doh. This is a really cool kind of pink, purple, magenta color. It's ordinary Play-Doh. We've played with it a lot. So much fun. There's really nothing special in there except for Play-Doh. Let's put this in the microwave. Let's push start and see what we get. I hope we get something cool. This is making me nervous. I can't tell if anything's happening or not. It would be a huge disappointment if this didn't work. Okay, let's open it up and see if we got anything. No, it looks just the same. Wait, there is something in there. There's a bag. I can't believe there was a whole Littlest Pet Shop blind bag in there. Oh, these are so cute. I've got to open this up and see what we got. Do you guys like Littlest Pet Shops? Tell me in the comments. It would be cool to get one of the rabbits. Oh my goodness! Do you see this? I like rabbits, but this is so much better. This is a pig. She is so cute. And this is a little bucket. Oh, and here she has a little flower to go in her hair. Oh, she is so cute. A rabbit would have been cute, but anyone who knows me knows that pigs are my favorite animals. Oh, she's adorable. I'm so excited. We really scored this time. We're doing so good. So far we've got SpongeBob out of this black Play-Doh, and we've gotten this adorable pig out of our magenta Play-Doh. Now let's try something a little different. Let's try this container of Flarp. You guys have seen Flarp on my channel before. I love Flarp. It makes silly kind of like gassy noises. I can't help but laughing when I hear that sound. It's so silly. Let's put the Flarp in the microwave and start it. I have a feeling this is going to be good. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this microwave to beep. This is going to be a good one, I can tell. Let's see what we got. Let's first make some silly noises. That's so funny. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's see. I don't see anything different. Maybe it only works with Play-Doh and not Flarp. Wait, what's this? Something slimy. Oh, can you see? It's a purple alien. It's really cute. He has a hockey stick. This alien's a hockey player. That's pretty cool. Let's set the alien down by SpongeBob. He doesn't stand very good. I'm going to have him lay down because he's got a heavy head. Next, let's try this yellow Play-Doh. This is ordinary Play-Doh, but it's mixed with some other colors. It kind of looks like rainbow sherbety. There's some red and some green. I bet this will make something magical. My kids have really had a lot of fun with this Play-Doh. I'm excited to see if this microwave can turn it into anything different. That was weird. I heard a strange noise. And now it seems like the yellow Play-Doh has completely disappeared. But there's definitely something in the microwave in place of it. Let's open it up and check it out. Oh, it's the Grossery Gang. It's a Yuck Bar Series 2. It says there's 2 groceries inside. Interesting. These are like kind of nasty, yucky toy food characters. This is our first time getting one. I'm excited to see what it is. It looks like a gross chocolate bar. There's a fly on it. And then here's the pamphlet of all the different gross foods you can get. Have you ever had one of these? They're really cool in a disgusting sort of way. Oh, cute. I like this Yucky Claire. Or that Ginger Dread Man. Those are really cute. Huh, let's open this up. I can't wait to see who we get. Oh, 2 yellow bags. That's fun. Let's open this first one. I'm so excited. Oh, that's cool. It looks like we got this character. It's called Crud Kiwi Fruit. And this is a common character. It's really cool, really cute in a gross way. I love it. Now let's check out this second one. Let's see who we get. Oh, it's pink. It kind of looks like this character's throwing up. Oh, I found him on our card. This is a Slob Stopper, and he's a rare character. It's kind of like a Gobstopper, but this one's sloppy and gross. Really cool. I'm excited about these. It's really strange that our yellow Play-Doh completely disappeared, but I love these Grossery Gang characters. They're so fun. Okay, now let's try this pink Play-Doh. It looks pretty normal. It's just pink Play-Doh. My kids like to play with it. It's normal and squishy and there's nothing inside. Let's put it in the microwave and push start. I hope we get something good. We got some kind of yucky toy food with these Grossery Gang characters. So hopefully we get something cute this time. let's see what we get. Oh, I already see something. What's this? Oh, they're Shopkins fruit snacks. Have you ever seen these? They're so cute. Let's open these up and see what characters are inside. I see lots of reds. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if you can tell, but this is Poppy Corn, the Shopkin. Oh, this is Cupcake Chic, the Shopkin. This is Sneaky Wedge. It's a tennis shoe Shopkins. So cute. This is Delish. She's definitely one of my favorite Shopkins. Then I got 4 Lippy Lip Shopkins. They're so cute. And then last, another Poppy Corn Shopkins. These Shopkins fruit snacks are so cute. This has definitely been some really cool microwave magic. Let's try our last container of Play-Doh. This is brown Play-Doh. I squish my finger in there. It's just normal, ordinary brown Play-Doh. Let's put it in our microwave and hope there's some magic. I hope we get something amazing. What do you think we're going to get in this brown Play-Doh? Hopefully it's not something stinky. I don't see anything. Oh, look at this. This is a monkey. And this cute little monkey is plugging his ears. How cute. And I think I feel something else. This is another monkey, and this monkey's sticking his tongue out. They're probably brothers, and this monkey's teasing the other monkey, so he's plugging his ears. Oh, these monkeys are so cute. Wow, this has been a really cool day of microwave magic. Check out all the cool things we've got. We've gotten this adorable Littlest Pet Shop pig. We've got these disgusting Grossery Gang characters. We got some silly monkeys. We have these really cool Shopkins fruit snacks. A purple alien playing hockey and SpongeBob sticking out his tongue.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.